Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you fine? Yes, very good. Are you enjoying holidays? Okay, today we will learn sense organs. Okay, in previous lecture I have teach you parts of body. Now today we will learn sense organs. Okay, how many sense organs are there? 5. How many sense organs are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many sense organs are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First sense organs is eyes. Which first sense organs is eyes. Okay. What do you do with your eyes? We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Okay. First sense organs is eyes. First sense organs is eyes. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. 1, 2. How many eyes do you have? 2. 1, 2. There are 5 sense organs. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Okay. First is eyes. Second is nose. Third is ear. Fourth is tongue. And fifth is skin. Okay. First is eyes. Second is nose. Third is ear. Fourth is tongue. And fifth is skin. Okay. There are 5 sense organs. How many organs are there? There are 5 sense of organs. We have learned about now ears. Sorry, we have learned about eyes. Which sense organ is this? Eyes. Okay, what we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. What do you see? We see our home. We see our school. Okay, you see garden. You see your mother, father, everyone. Okay, what do? We see with our eyes. We see everything what happened around us. Okay, the next is nose. Next sense organ is nose. What do you do with your nose? We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. What is this? Nose. We smell with our nose. We breathe with our nose. We breathe with our nose. We breathe with our nose. Okay. When your mother make tasty food and you say, "Oh, Mama, what smell is coming?" Then we smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. Okay. First sense organ is eyes. Then second is nose. Which is, what is? Nose. Second sense organ is nose. Second sense organ is nose. Then third sense organ is ears. Third sense organ is ears. Third sense organ is ear. Okay. What do you do with your ears? We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Whenever someone call you, yes, Duku, come here. Then from where you are listening? We are listening from our ears. We hear with our ears. Okay. What do? You clap. You listen the sound now? You clap. You listen the sound now? That means you are hearing with your ears. We hear with our ears. How many ears do you have? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have 2 ears. Okay. From both the ears we hear. We hear with our ears. Okay. The next is tongue. Next sense organs is tongue. What do you do with the tongue? We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. When your mother make delicious food for you, you say, "Na, oh mama, it's very yummy, it's very tasty." Then we taste from our tongue. We taste from our tongue. Wherever you eat hot food, you say, "Oh mama, it's very hot." From where you get sense? From our tongue. Okay, we get sense from our tongue. Okay, we see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. We hear with our ears. We taste with our tongue. And last sense organ is skin. Skin. We feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Okay. Whenever you pinch anybody, oh, it's hurting. What you say? It's hurting. That means you are feeling. So we feel with our skin, and our body is covered with skin. And our body is covered with skin. Okay. What we do? We feel with our skin. Okay. We feel with our skin. Now you have to repeat all these sentences after me. Okay. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay. How many sense organs we have? 5. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay. We have 5 sense organs. Repeat after me. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin. Okay. Again, repeat after me. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Again, repeat after me. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, hand, fingers. Okay. Now close your eyes and touch the thing. Okay. And feel the thing. Okay. Close the eyes. Are you listening some sound? Are you hearing some sound? Yes. From where you are hearing? Ears. Okay. You close your eyes and touch something. Ah, it's very hard and soft. That means it is banana. Yes, it is banana. Then close your eyes and touch. Ah, it is pen. Okay. You at home you do this activity. Okay. Okay, again we will repeat some sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay. Eyes, we see with our eyes. Nose, we smell with our nose. We breathe with our nose. Ear, we hear with our ears. Tongue, we taste with our tongue. We feel with our skin. Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.